We have division of polynomials because our polynomials have positive powers, so we can do long division. First we have to get the problem set up. We need to have the terms written down with the exponents in the decreasing order. In this example we have already this. So this is our dividend. Let me copy. T to fourth power plus t square is next, but because to make sure we don't make any mistakes, it's always easier if we add any missing terms with the zero coefficients. So first is t to fourth power, so next should be t to third power. We don't have this term, so it means we have like 0 t cube. Next we have t square, so we just add t square. Because next we have 1 only, we don't have t, so I add 0t, because 0 times t give me 0. And now it will be easier when we do long division to not make mistake. And last is 1. We have to divide by, and our divisor is t square plus 1. We don't have term t, so again I will write t with 0 coefficient, and the last is 1. It's always very good to write any terms in the descending order and to make sure that we don't make any mistakes, we add in any missing terms with a 0 coefficient. So now we have to concentrate only on the first terms. We have t to fourth power and t to second power. By what I have to multiply t squared to get t to fourth power? Of course, by t squared, because t squared times t squared give me t to fourth power. And now I have to multiply every term of our divisor by t squared. So we have t squared times t squared is t to fourth power. T squared times 0, t, it will be 0. So we have 0 t cube. And next we have t squared times 1 is t squared. Now, of course, that's here. So next we have to do subtraction. Here is positive because 1 times t squared is positive t squared. I should write here t to fourth power. So now you will do subtraction. T to fourth power minus t to fourth power is 0. We don't have to write. 0t cube minus 0t cube is 0. We don't have to write. T square minus t square is 0, we don't have to write. And now we have to take down the next terms. We have 0t plus 1. So now we see that the power of our remainder, this is our remainder, is smaller than the power of our divisor. This is t to second power, here is like t to first power. So we cannot do division anymore. So now when we have 0 times t, it's just 0. So our remainder is only 1. So we can rewrite our solution that t to fourth power plus t to second power plus 1 divided by t squared plus 1. This is equal, whatever we have on the top, t squared plus our remainder. Our remainder is 1 because 0 times t is 0, we don't have to write. So we have 1 over our divisor t squared plus 1. This is my solution.